are at the airport of Bergamo, Milan, here in Italy. I will just make an update. They had few renovations, so there are changes. For example, if you are going to board, now you have to go up on the second floor and you have to pass the immigration there in here first before you go inside. From the immigration, here, look at that. They change the departure area. Oh, so now we're here first. Duty free. It seems that the duty free is bigger now than before. Oh, this is cute. Tanawa. Chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Italian chocolate and candies. There are still some of the spaces not yet occupied. That is the Oreo Center.
La sicurezza è responsabilità di tutti. Milan-Bergamo Airport.
Now we finish in the new part of the airport, the one that was renovated. So this one, we are here in the older part, the existing years ago. Oh, some of the spaces here are closed as well, or they're still renovating in this area. Italian products also here, wine, Citera olive oil, Pico Milano. It's already like this before. There are many restaurants in this area, shops, and this is the boarding area here. Faro is gone. It's in Adue. Wait, we go that way. Adue. A2. You can play if you like, if you know how. Piano. Look at that. We're riding also a Ryanair going to Faro, Portugal, South Portugal. Boarding at Ryanair. Around 3 hours flight going to Faro, Portugal. That one over there is the Città Alta, or the old town of Bergamo. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.